Hi, how's your day? Just want to remind you to be kind and gentle to yourself, okay? Stop comparing yourself sa kung ano yung nakikita mo sa social media. Be gentle sa mga words na sasabihin mo sa sarili mo. You are unique and you have your own beauty. Maganda ka kahit wala kang ayos. Maganda ka kahit anong kulay ng balat mo. Maganda ka kahit straight or kulot yung buhok mo. Even if you're shortest or the tallest. Even if you're payat or may laman. Maganda ka. You're beautiful. Always remember that, okay? I love you. Smell be happy.